What's up, guys? It's Carl. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to install new little window actuators. Place this one right here behind me. This is the driver's side. Pretty much I just got this because this one looks cooler and it's easier to install and remove. So if I have to replace the window actuator again like I have before, I'll be okay. Already replaced it on the passenger side, but I wanted to show you guys how to do it on the driver's side. So here's a little clip behind here. There we go. So there is actually a proper tool for this, but unfortunately I have not invested in that yet. There's a proper tool and a hook. So here's the little clip, and then it goes right in there. Basically slides in, clips up. And that's basically what the back of it looks like. Oop. Sorry, guys. But that's what the back of it looks like, and that's how this handle is held in place. So now to install the new one. This one will be held with this cool little piece right here, this little spacer. This one has teeth just like that. Slides on. Make sure I don't put it on too far. Apparently I'm a Butterfingers today. And just tighten the set screw. Just want to make sure it's nice and even, so I don't have to replace the window actuator again. Come on. Set the screw nice and tight. And I take this. I've already pre-inserted set screws, and I'm going to simply take it, put it on over this, set of screws. To be honest, I could have probably set these screws a little bit tighter in there. Guess it would also help if I just move the stuff, right? I apologize for the camera quality and play. I hope someday to be cool enough to have like a ring, maybe a cameraman, the light ring, and the cameraman, or even editing material. Get Allen key. There we go. Why am I so butterfingers today? Well, damn. There you have it, folks. One last. And there we go, folks. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, sorry for the poor quality. Hope to have better quality videos for you all someday. But please like and subscribe for more so I can go ahead and hopefully get that equipment. Thanks for watching. Bye.